Hello guys, welcome again from my marine engineering technical channel. To move a ship, the main engine's power is essential. Normally, the main engine can be controlled using the easier remote control of the local maneuvering stand. For ships with bridge control, the main engine can also be operated directly from the bridge. If, for some reason, the remote control fails, the main engine can be operated from the local control. Engineers need to know how to operate the engine locally. In some cabins, it's mandatory to test run the engine from local control once a month. Let's learn how to operate the main engine from the local stand. First, switch the block-in arm from remove to local. Turn the inward hand wheel to disconnect the governor. Now, the regulating wheel is directly connected to the fuel pumps. Change the control selector switch from remove to local emergency. Unlock the fuel regulating handle from its lock position. Before starting the engine, use the regulating wheel to set the fuel rack to the start position. Press the start button to start the main engine. Once the main engine starts running, adjust the fuel rack from start to minimum. To stop the engine, press and hold the stop button. To reverse the engine astern, turn the selector switch to the astern position. Then, raise the fuel lever and press the start button to run the engine in astern mode. To stop the engine, press and hold the stop button. After testing the local maneuvering stand, return control to the control room remote side. Lower the fuel lever to the stop position. Lock the fuel regulating wheel again. Switch the control from emergency back to remote. Turn the inward hand wheel and lock the block-in arm in the remote position. This procedure is based on the MAN-B&W 6S42MC engine. If this video was helpful, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more upcoming videos. Goodbye and hope to see you soon.